Okay, we're ready for the next part. All I did was move that extra skin into my disposal bag. Now here I have the eye. All right, so again, here's the front, here's the back with the optic nerve. And what I want to do is start cutting roughly around in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to want to get in and make a cut around the eyeball to cut it into a front half and a back half. Now you can see getting the incision is a little difficult. All right, so just be patient. Okay, because I'm going to want to cut this eyeball in half. Okay, but I want to preserve as much of the interior as I can. All right, so I'm going to kind of try to be a little bit gentle as I'm getting there. All right, so there we go. All right, once I get that first cut, then going around is relatively easy. All right, so you could see how you kind of had to work through for that first cut. Okay, so just be patient. All right, then you're going to be separating the eye into a front half and a back half. Okay, look at that. All right, so I'm going to move this a little bit closer. Okay, what you see, this jelly-like stuff, that's the vitreous humor. Okay, that helps to give the eye its shape. Okay, so what I'm going to want to do according to the directions is remove that vitreous humor with your wooden probe. Okay, so remember the wooden probe. Okay, so I'm going to try to keep all of the other parts in. Okay, but remove as much of the vitreous humor as I can easily. Okay, all right, again, I don't want to damage anything else. If some of it is left in there, it's not a big deal, but that was the next big step to actually get this eye cut in half, back half, front half. Okay, then we'll go on to the next step.